Everyone, this is Beautiful Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Again, gawa natin yung reaction video ang Barda compilation because why not? So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ito yung kay Ma'am Norse kahapon na ginawa na hindi natin nagawa ng reaction video. Tingnan natin. They call it just content but we know better. From the makers of Beauty Empire, the blindfold, the surprise, the way his presence felt too familiar to be staged. Now creation dares again with Taylor whispering, "My dreams, my dreams." I love it. Okay. Because sometimes in the dreamscape where hidden the truth reveals an old girlfriend and Angela's boyfriend becomes a mirror. I couldn't agree more. Her warmth, her quiet, her open heart is guarded calm. That somehow always meet in the middle. And then a different thing in Singapore, rain falling. An umbrella in his mind caption only with "Where are you?" as if straight out of a drama frame, parang Lovely Runner. Uy, gusto ko to Lovely Runner. The question lingers, where is I'm Sol? And in history, sino nga ba ang hinihintay? Then close-up steps in with words that leave little room with denial. Barbie and David are getting up close this National Boyfriend's Day. Bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba, no? Not just a campaign, not just a brand, it's a story indeed. Not a playful, deliberate one that frames him as boyfriend figure. The girl can't quite step away. Kung ano ang gustong ipahiwatig that maybe what we see isn't for that real anymore? It's a question pa talaga. At the quiet beginning of something real, a story unfolding through hints and actions. Exactly. Bago pa man nila tuluyang aminin out loud. Ito na nga sinasabi ko, basta kung may announcement, huwag munang bumaba. Kung bababa din naman kayo at balak niyong bumalik, huwag na lang kayong bumaba. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Anyways, si Marsha, may ginawa din compilation for the Barda Day. Titingnan natin. Mga malandi kayo. Wait lang. May i-upload lang ako for today's video para at least mamaya tuloy-tuloy na tayo, di ba? Anyways, okay. At okay. Ito na to. Hindi, yung una yung gusto ko. Ito gusto ko na naglo-loading pa kasi. Okay. Diba niya? Oh, nakasimangot. Cutie niya talaga. Ang cutie niya talaga. Okay. Ay, happy 3rd anniversary. Si AC ba? Wait lang, mamaya ka na ha. Ano to? Wala siya may-upload. Wait, puntahan ko muna si AC. Kasi for sure, marami to si AC na ano. Tingnan natin, AC ha. Ay, ito. Naklakit, hindi maklay. Patingin. Happy birthday, everyone! Ay, bago to Story Behind Their Eyes by AC. Happy birthday. Okay. Eh, hindi na panood natin to kahapon. Wala, tingnan natin yung mga reviews sa AC. Di ba nga napanood na din naman natin to kahapon? Diba? Wait lang, isearch na natin si David Licao. David Licao. Hello. Eh, ganun ba talaga? Oh, alam mo David Licao ko. David Alexander C. Licao ko. Tama na muna. David Lasty in Singapore. Nakauwi na pala siya. Okay. Sana all. Si Kens. Ito mo yung mga IG story ni Kens. Ano ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Okay. What's next? Ay, hello. Ay, gwapo naman ni Ginoo. Ay, nagpapagwapo ang Ginoo natin Iba talaga ang Ginoo. Sino kasama ni Ginoo dyan? Charis. Yung facial expression talaga ni Ginoo. Sobrang aliw talaga ako sa kanya sa mga facial expression niya. Hindi naman nila, kala mo naman. Aliw talaga siya. Wait. Ba yan? Bakit hindi ko mabalik? Gusto ko ibalik yung una. David. Ewan ko sa'yo, David. Ewan ko talaga sa'yo, David. Sa totoo lang. Yan na naman siya. Ay, parang malungkot ang David natin. Anyways, punta tayo kay Barbie Fortesa. Barbie New Fortesa for today's video. Tingnan natin. Ano ang ganap ng ating Ate Barbie Fortesa? Wala ba itong full interview? Hinahanap ko ito kahapon Sana may full ko Tingnan nga natin to si Charis kung ano naman pinagdadaldal ni Charis. Charitera din to si Charis actually. Napaka-charitera niya. Ayan pala yung mga post si Charis Best in Jameson, Best in Barda. Hindi mo kaya. Anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Tino Vlogs. See you next time. Bye!